guys, welcome to Placements Prep. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding a recruitment from Cognizant. There are 4 job roles from Cognizant. So let's see what are those and the eligibility criteria of those roles. First role is senior architect and the eligibility will be science or education graduates, year of passing any passed out. Salary will be 2 lakhs 20,000 to 8 lakhs 30,000 lakh per annum, and job location will be Bangalore. And eligibility criteria will be both freshers and experienced are eligible. Applicant should have knowledge in Adobe platform, should have good communication skills in both oral and written. Candidate should have good technical and troubleshooting skills. So these are some of the requirements you need to be satisfied before going to apply for this role 1. And next, job description: interact and engage with customers around new innovative ideas, concept and assets. Participate in beta testing of products or joint lab setup with customer. Define problem statement for the customer. Identify the training needs and conduct internal sessions to meet the same. Track the implementation of assets. And next interview rounds will be written assessment, aptitude and technical MCQ, technical interview and HR interview. So this is about job role 1. And next, job role 2, business associate. Education will be science or engineering graduates are eligible to apply. Year of passing is any passed out. Job location is Hyderabad and Pune. Salary will be 2,50,000 to 7,60,000 lakh per annum. Next, eligibility criteria: both freshers and experienced are eligible to apply. A candidate must have more than 60% marks in 10th, 12th and graduation. If a candidate has attended an interview within the past 6 months from the date of new application, then he or she is ineligible to apply. A candidate should not have any pending backlogs at the time of appearing for Cognizant selection process. And next, job description: execute the test cases, understand, interpret and clarify functional requirements as well as technical requirements, provide required support to develop the proof of concept, provide support on process audit activities, capture and fix defects as and when found, and retest the areas during testing. So this is all about the job description of job role 2. And next, interview rounds will be written assessment, technical interview and HR interview. There are 3 rounds in job role 2. So if you think you are eligible for this, I will be providing link in the description. Go through that link and apply for it. And next, job role 3 will be programmer trainee. Eligibility criteria will be science or engineering graduate, year of passing any passed out. Both freshers and experienced are eligible, and salary will be 2.1 to 9.2 LPA. Job location will be Chennai. And both freshers and experienced are eligible. Candidates should have good knowledge in incident management, good interpersonal skills and communication skills. Shift: you need to work in day shift, no night shift for this job role. So this is a eligibility criteria. And job description will be: raise clarifications or issues or concerns regarding work output to the lead on team, adherence to schedule or timelines, maintain effective working relationship with team members and supervisors, participating in creation of weekly and monthly reports to client, completing the technical or project relation training and certificates. So this is all about the job description of job role 3. And the interview rounds will be 3 rounds: aptitude test, technical interview which is completely based on area of interest and some general questions, and next, HR interview where questions based on your resume. So this is all about the job role 3. And apply for all these roles before it expires. Don't miss the opportunity. Please grab the opportunity which is in your hands. And next, job role 4, associate project. Eligibility criteria for this is: both freshers and experienced are eligible to apply. Year of passing any passed outs can apply. And salary will be 2.6 to 8.8 LPA. Job location will be Bangalore. And knowledge in programming language like JavaScript, .NET, ASP.NET, good skills in SharePoint, data sync, workflows and configuration, ability to complete work in given time manner, good communication skills in both oral and written. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. And next, job description: understand, interpret, and clarify functional requirements as well as technical requirements, able to provide effort timeline for the task assigned, provide support and process audit activities, understand and execute automation tools for testing. So this is the job description of job role 4. And next interview rounds will be 2 rounds, technical round and HR round. So this is all about the 4 roles which Cognizant is recruiting for freshers as well as experience. So don't miss the opportunity. I will be providing link in the description. Go through the link and apply for it. And for more updates regarding job opportunities, please stay tuned to my channel. Until we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.